Welcome everyone again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm just going to be showing you the two ways in which you can twist your hair. And here is my daughter's hair. I'm going to be twisting it today, and I just wanted to show you how you can perfectly twist your hair. This is a beginner friendly video. For those of you who don't know how to really twist your hair, this video is going to really help you. I unravel her hair and I'm just detangling it after spraying some water, and now I'll just go ahead and start twisting the hair. And the video is self-explanatory, and I'll just explain what I can explain, and then I'll leave the rest for you guys to watch. Now I've just parted the section of hair I need to work with, and what I'm going to do, I'll just detangle it further just to make sure there are no tangles in it, and then I'll go in and apply some shea butter. This is raw shea butter. I'm just applying to her hair, and then I'll divide the hair into 3 sections. This is the first method in which I use to twist hair. I'll separate the hair into 3 sections, as you can see, and then I will braid it from the bottom a little bit, just about 2 or 3 steps, and then I will take the third part. I just take one part of it, I separate it again into 2, and then I join it to the other 2 parts, and then I start twisting just like that. So I am twisting from bottom top, that's taking the hair from the bottom and passing it over the other one, while some other people take it from the top and go the other way. It all depends on how you want to twist it, but if you want to follow the way I'm twisting it, please just look at it carefully and you follow it the way I do. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process, and if you didn't see the first one before, don't worry, this one I'm going to take it very slowly so that you can really see and understand. So I'm just parting the hair, and then I'll detangle it again as before. Then I'll just apply a little bit of shea butter to it and make sure I work it through the hair, but I don't put it on her scalp. I use it only on her hair. Then I divide the hair again into 3 sections. After I'm done dividing the hair, I will start braiding it like normal braids. After I finish braiding, then I don't braid it too long, just 1, 2, 3 steps. Then I take the other one section of the hair, divide it into 2, and then join it to the other 2 sections and start twisting. This is the first method I use to twist hair. I am going to show you the second method in which I twist hair, and then I will tell you which of them is the best, depending on how long you want the hair to last. So please don't go anywhere. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Yeah, okay, this is the second method in which I use to twist hair, and I will just part it and then detangle it, then divide it into 2 sections and start twisting just like that. This one is the most simplest method of twisting, but I am going to tell you which of the method is very important. Now I'm just repeating the second method again. After parting the hair, I detangle it very well and then apply a little bit of shea butter to it as always. I part it depending on the size I want. And if you want small braids or small twists, then we call it mini twist. If you want mini twist, then you do it a little bit smaller. And if you want medium size, you can do it a little bit bigger. So this is the second method I am repeating again. Just divide the hair into two and you start twisting, as easy as ABC. Okay, now which of the method is the best? I love the second method because it's very easy, and if you are a beginner, it is very easy for you to use the second method. And if you don't know how to do cornrow or you don't know how to do rasta, the second method is very easy for you. And the only problem with the second method is if you want the hair to last longer, it will not last very long. It's going to unravel very fast. And then the first method, it keeps the hair longer, it protects the hair, and you can keep the hair a little bit longer. But if you are not used to, or you don't know how to do cornrow, or you don't know how to braid, then it's going to be very difficult for you. That is the only disadvantage of the first method. But to me personally, the first method is the best, because once I make their hair, this one in particular, I want it to last longer. That is why I am using the first method also. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the end of the video, and if you have watched up to this end, God bless you. I would love to see you all again in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.